Is your Fortnite party channel looking like a broken disco ball? Let's fix it, quick. First, head to your Fortnite settings by clicking the three lines in the top right corner, then selecting the gear icon. Now, navigate to the audio tab in your settings. This is where all the sound magic happens, or doesn't, if you're having problems. Scroll down until you find voice chat. Check your voice chat method. If it's set to open mic, try switching it to push to talk and then back to open mic. If it's already push to talk, just toggle it regardless. Next, make sure your voice chat input device is set to the correct microphone. Select the drop-down menu and ensure your preferred microphone is chosen. Similarly, confirm your voice chat output device is correctly set to your headphones or speakers. Raise your voice chat volume to maximum to make sure you can hear everyone. Don't worry, you can adjust it later if it's too loud. Now back out to the lobby and check your party channel. The red X should be gone, and you should be able to chat with your squad. If the problem persists, restart your game and try these steps again. Good luck.